Hey y'all, happy Halloween. There is lots and lots of stuff going on in our crafty little world today that is making me super excited. I will have some videos coming out soon. I'm waiting for some things to be, something got announced and I'm waiting for something else to get announced. Don't know how long it's going to take, but good things, all good things. I'm going to be working with Mandy Reed's kit again today. You can find her over on Etsy as Sunflowers and Dors. There is also a Facebook group if you guys want to join. It is a joint run with Justine Jenkins, who is also an amazing person. But it is called Junk Journal Ideas and Inspiration. And it is a group over on Facebook if you want to join that group and check out what's going on in there. I believe there is a bingo game wrapping up. I know Mandy was working just recently on an advent calendar project that she used some wood shelving boxes for. It's actually really neat. Go check out that video. Anyway, I'll have all of that information listed at the bottom of this video. If you are on my YouTube page, it will be in the information box. If you are on my TikTok page, it'll be down in the comments. Okay, I'll try to calm down. So I mentioned that I wanted to put some flip outs on these pages back behind the notebooks. So what I did was I took the portrait printed pages and I cut a section out that I thought I was going to make something else with them, and I decided not to. I decided to use them for this, so they are different sizes. And I'm okay with that. So what I did was I printed them out and I backed them with that same grocery bag that I've been using. And then I folded where the page would normally fold it, and I did cut these down just a little bit. And then I folded this back a little bit more than the front. Okay, and why I say the front is this is the flap, or what a lot of us call a hinge. This is the flap that I'm going to glue down onto the page. It may be easier for me to show you with this one right now. I'll glue this flap down and then I'll be able to pull this out. It'll pull out. So I'm going to show you how that works. Hopefully I'm making sense today. I'm a little bit scattered. Like I said, lots and lots of excitement. Make sure I have the right side. I do have the right side for this one. So I should have left this tied so I could see exactly where I wanted this because of the rings. So once you figure out where you want to put it, get it glued down. I'm going to put glue on this flap. On this flap. Okay, so now this will pull out and it will open this way. And I have some digital washi here that I can use to cover that up, but I also found some washi. Let me go get it. My mom brought me this teeny tiny washi, so I'm going to be using some of it. And here where I have just this little white strip showing, I'm just going to cover that up with this washi tape. And so now what I will do is I'll start adding a little bit of this washi tape all throughout the project so that everything matches up. Okay. And then I also am going to put a tab here. I have some of the other tabs that were included in the kit already cut out, sort of. I have these tabs. So let me get some of these, finish cutting these and get them folded and inked up, and I'll be right back. Okay, working on the other side now. I did the same thing, glued this down. I have a strip of the paper bag that I've been using that I'm gonna use like washi. Let me get off of this. So I'm just going to glue it down. Here, because I didn't trim this off enough, and it's a little bit wider, but that's okay, we'll just build on it, right? So then I'm gonna take my washi tape, add a piece of it, this washi tape isn't sticking well, so I'm gonna end up gluing it down, which is fine. And then I have some washi from the kit, the one with the bees on it. And I'm just gonna put that where I want it. Just sliding around on that washi tape a little bit. That's what I thought. Move that end up a little bit. Okay. So now I have this. Okay. So this is the tab that I chose to use for the bee. And I'm just gonna put some glue. I did ink around it already with distress ink. And I'm gonna attach it just here. And glue the other side. So now I have a pull out. And then I think I'm also going to add an eyelet to that. I am. I'm going to add an eyelet. Okay. And then we'll do the other side. Have you noticed I'm avoiding the beading? I'll get it done. I just have to force myself to make... I know it's going to look good. I hope it's going to look good. I'm pretty sure it's going to look good. No, I know it's going to look good. I just have been avoiding the beading. I think this one I want at the top because it's so close to the same colors of the bird that I'm going to put it on the top. Camera's been acting funny, so I wanted to make sure it was still running. Oops. Put that there. Over and glue the other side. And then I will add an eyelet. Okay, so under these flip ups or flip overs, I have decided to add a pocket. And this is the pocket that I chose. And once you cut it out, you fold on this line under, this line under, and this line under. And that's what gives you your pocket, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're going to glue these three down, these three flaps. Now, when you're gluing these, you're gonna want this bottom flap on the outside. And the reason why you don't want this bottom flap glued down before these are glued down is because when you're putting stuff in here, it's gonna get hung up on this seam. So if you move this seam to the outside, when you're sliding things in and out of your pocket, they won't get hung up. Okay, so I wanna see where this fits. I think here, I think I wanna go a little lower. Put it right here. And I marked it with the pencil earlier. Ha! So now what I want to do is make sure that both of my marks are at the same height. So I'm going to use this cheater piece of paper. Mark this other edge. And now I know where to glue this to. And so I will put some glue on each flap. is why I use shop towels, you guys. I like shop towels better than paper towels, but I keep paper towels and baby wipes all the time for my glue mess. Glue that down. Did not glue that down in the right spot. Here we go. And then erase my marks. All right. Now, I took the tags from the kit and I backed them with paper bag, brown paper bag. And I haven't added anything to them yet. I just inked them up. So this gives me, that's not the one I wanted to use here. I want to use this one here. And then there are also these little file folders that I backed with paper bag. So these are the kind of things that you can put in here. And I'm gonna put these in here for now, and then we'll see what happens, because I have some other little notebooks in mind that I wanna make. So we'll see. I may end up making something out of these. And then, you know, whatever I do on this side, oh, and then it's hidden. Another cool thing is you can adjust these and it will adjust the height of this. So if this gets hanging really too low, just move these rings out and it'll pull it up. So then I'm going to go and I'm going to put the pockets on this side that I want to use. Let me fold this out. So which pocket do I want to use for this side? We're going to use the owl. We're going to use the owl. Okay. So now that's better. This fits better. Can't find my third tag. I have some of these little commercial tags that I could back. Oh, here it is. Oh, what's this one too? I fit two in here. It's because it's not dry. It doesn't want to hold them. I might use this. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you're enjoying this project. I will be back. I don't know if I'll be back on today with another video or not. We're trying to decide if we're gonna go venture out tonight. So happy Halloween, you guys.